Hello folks, it's the Aussie Lego Dude, also known as Phil, and in this video, I'm going to be adding these Lego pieces that I got from the official Lego website to my Lego MILS Railway Crossing. And for those that don't know what MILS stands for, well, it stands for Modular Integrated Landscaping System. It's what a lot of Lego YouTubers are doing nowadays with the new 2021 Lego road plates. So basically I'm going to be just adding all of these pieces just along here except for the train track. So I'm going to be probably taking some things apart and putting some things in different spots, you know, so this probably it'll be like a bit of like a speed build kind of thing. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so that was pretty good. So I just had to get some more of the black tiles, which I got some on here, but that's why audio pieces, except for like these slope pieces that I have right here, which will probably go like onto like this section here once I've. So this is going to be the footpath, and this is going to be like, say, probably on like sort of rose sort of height. So it'll be like probably down to maybe there, or maybe a little bit higher. So just make it like pedestrian sort of, you know, way. So, but yeah, I know that will be probably, don't know when. So these pieces just go in, and then I'll just use these little pieces here to put into like in each of these ends, so which is what I'm going to be, so that way when I do make more of these MILS road plates, I can just easily connect them. So yeah, so I'll probably add some more pieces. I know, as I said, got some like more square these pieces here, which I can probably just take off. I can just put onto here these square pieces, because I know that I have like still a few of these, but I might think I might buy some more on like Bricklink, because it's quicker than the official Lego store, which obviously it is. But some of these are just, you need to just do two there, and then I'm done. But other than that, I'm quite happy with what I have done so far. So it's still a work in progress, but hey, it's amazing. So yeah. So anyway, folks, it comes to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, please give a thumbs up. Please let me know in the comments down below on your thoughts on the MILS, on my MILS roadplay, of course. As I was thinking about having the dotted lines like right here, and then have this other line just on the outside, but then I thought, I think it looks good like that, but I think I might do some experiment, maybe switching it around, putting this there, and then, you know, but I know it looks weird with that piece there with being near the crossing, but I think I might just do maybe, as I say, another white plate there, maybe to make it more better like a crossing, you know. The Discord and the the Discord I'm partnered with, and my Twitter is in the description down below. And I think, I'm not sure what I'm going to be titling these video, probably title adding more pieces to my MILS railway crossing. I'm not sure what I'm going to be titling it, but I'll come up with something. Yeah, but hey, as I said, I'll probably do a big experiment when it comes to doing the lines, as I kind of got a little bit of an idea from Casey's Toys at my local shopping center. That sort of gave me a bit of inspiration to do like this kind of style. If you know, not really, but just a style by the lines. So, you know. So as always, I'll see you all later.